Okay, how did you get on with the homework? Let's go through a solution. And to begin with, I'm going to go to my articles folder and move that to trash, and then just show you that my outlines folder has the 3 outlines. And I think we will put all of those, once they're processed, into the processed drive. So let's go back. I'm not going to modify that one. What I'm going to do, outline to article, I'm going to duplicate it, and I'll say outlines to multiple articles, just so I'm not overwriting the outline to article, which I want to keep. So here was the automation that we had. I'm going to delete this just to make it a little bit clearer, so we don't need that. And the first thing is this submission form, because we don't actually need to have this anymore. We don't need to enter an article ID. So I'm going to delete that, and instead we'll put in a manual trigger and connect it up. In fact, we're not actually going to connect it up. What we're going to do is come up here and look for a drive, Google Drive, and we want search files and folders. We've seen this earlier in the course, so hopefully you didn't have any problems with it. The operation is search. Search method is search file and folder name. In the query, we're going to put an asterisk again, and then we're going to add a filter so that we can find what we're looking for. So I'm going to filter by folder, and the folder I want is the outlines folder. Now you'll see that it says I can't run or execute this step because the workflow is already running. If you get that, just come down here and have a look. Yes, because we ran that first prompt and we didn't cancel it. So let's go back in here and let's execute this step now. And now you can see it's gone into the folder where the outlines are, and it's got 3 outlines, which is what we want. All right, now we need to make a few changes. Let's connect this to the get outline, and the outline now is no longer that outline from the trigger that we had. The outline that we want is from the search files and folders, and we want to grab the ID of the article. Let's execute that. And you can see here we've got the document ID and the content, that's the mackerel. If we scroll down, here's the next one, that's the potato. If I just pull this across a little bit, you can see that's the potato article. And then down here, it's got the last one on Spanish tapas. So we've got all 3 articles in there now. And I'm just going to check all of these, expand. Yes, we're still reading this from the get outline, so that's okay. We're still reading that from the get outline. The edit fields should be fine. Document, create document, and save document. Now the create document, we want to create that in the articles folder, which is what we've got. And then the save article, this is updating the article. Document update, the document to update is the one we've created here. So that's already in there. And then the text is, just reselect this just to make absolutely sure we've got it, is the meta disc. No, it's not, it's the full article. So let's close that. Let's just run this and see how it works. And I'm going to go over to Open Router and refresh 4676. Let's run this and see if it works. You can see down here the number 2 means it's done number 2. It's now working on number 3. Done number 3, now it's moved on to writing the articles. It's now writing the first of those articles. It's done the first one with that check mark. It's now working on article number 2. Okay, it's done number 2, now it's working on article number 3. It's now gone through the edit fields, created the document, and now it's pulling out the full article to save it. Let's go over to Google Drive and have a look. So the articles folder, there we have our 3 articles. Let's go over to Open Router, and 4676 before, that automation 46.74, so it's cost 2 cents to create those 3 articles. Now there is one other step we can do, and that is to move the finished outlines. If we come back over here, we can move these outlines into the process folder so that they won't be created again if we add more outlines to that folder. So let's come over to N8N, we'll add a drive and we want to move. So Google Drive account, that's selected, file, move. The file that we want to move is by ID, and it's the article that was saved. Okay, and then parent drive is my drive, and then the root folder, the parent folder we want to move to is processed. So let's just run that one node and see if it works. Everything else has been run already, so we can just run this one on its own. Everything will be passed properly. Okay, let's go into the processed, and there we have our, let me just see. Okay, that looks like the full article. We've moved the wrong thing. Let me delete these. We'll come back in here. I have moved the wrong thing. What we wanted to move was the outline. Document ID here is wrong. So it's the get outline, it's the document outline we want to move. So let's try running that again. Okay, we'll come over and have a look. Processed, we've got the 3 outlines in here now. So those are the original outlines. Let's just make sure they've been moved from the outlines folder. So that's now empty. Now we haven't got the articles in there because of the last run where it was actually moving the actual articles to the processed. So let's try one more time. We're going to run it from start to finish. Let's go and get our outlines. They are now in processed. I'm going to select into the outline. So I'm going to drag them up to my drive, and then from my drive I can highlight them all and move them back into outlines. So check processed. All right, articles, that's empty. So let's run it one more time. We'll refresh Open Router 4674 and let's just let it run. Okay, so that has completed. Let's go and check. So first, the outline folder is now empty, which is what we wanted. In the process, we have the outlines which have been processed, and then in the articles, we should have the articles. So let's go and have a quick look. I'm going to cut, paste as markdown. So this is the potato one. See how many words. Okay, 1678. Let's go and have a look at the next one, Spanish tapas. And this is Spanish tapas article. See varied paragraph lengths and number of paragraphs per section. And then the mackerel fishing. Let's paste that as markdown as well. And if we scroll down here, we've got some bullet points in this section, some bullet points in that section as well. Word count 1376. Let's go over to Open Router. 4674 before the automation ran, 4672. So 2 cents for 3 articles. So that is my solution to the homework. Hopefully you managed to do something very similar.